Deep in the valley of corruption, where greed and wickedness rule the night, Jah eyes still watching over mankind. No darkness can hide forever. Dark clouds cover the valley floor, cold winds hold forevermore. Me hear cries through the midnight air, broken souls everywhere. Babylon merchants count them gold, while hungry children face the cold. False leaders speaking polished lies, still can't escape your eyes.
Me walk through the valley slow, where poison rivers used to flow. Yet deep within the darkest place, me still see Jah grace.
Valley of the wicked tonight, still trembling before Jah light. Though the wicked fight endlessly, truth shall reign eternally.
Valley of the wicked,
dark and deep,
ancient watchmen never sleep.
Lion of Judah lead the way,
guide the faithful every day.
Me granny tell me years ago,
when corruption start to grow,
guard your spirit from the stain,
and don't let evil rule your brain.
So me meditate beside the flame,
calling softly
Jah holy name. Nyabinghi drums beat deep and low, like sacred rivers overflow. Me see many trapped by greed and fame, lost inside the vanity game.